Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project RTC OLED clock with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need PC module, LED display, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per the schematic diagram. Connect the CLK pin on the RTC to Arduino pin SCL and connect the DAT pin on the RTC to Arduino pin SDA. Connect the SCL pin on the OLED display to Arduino pin A5. Connect the SDA pin on the OLED display to Arduino pin A4. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see if the time is set on the RTC, displayed on the OLED and updated via Arduino. How is this used in real-world scenarios? In office, time-sensitive attendance system using RTC modules to record the exact time of RFID or biometric scans. The same mechanisms is used in this project. Thank you.